Former First Lady Esther Lungu has been granted leave to appeal against the High Court ruling which refused to allow her to cross-examine state witnesses in the forfeiture case involving her tainted flats. This matter falls under the Forfeiture of Proceeds of Crime Act No. 19 of 2010 and Section 7 of the Prohibition of Money Laundering Act No. 17 of 2001, as read with Act No. 4 of 2010, which are relatively new laws. Just like any other days on court matters involving the former First family, the outside of the Court of Appeal was heavily guarded by police officers. When the matter came before Judge Catherine Makungu, the court was of the view that the questions raised are important and that there is a need for further argument. A decision from the Court of Appeal would be to the public advantage, further indicating that the appeal is likely to succeed. The matter was heard in chambers before Court of Appeal Judge Catherine Makungu. The court explains that the test for granting leave to appeal has been met. For the foregoing reasons, the court has granted the application leave to appeal against the lower court's decision made in May 2024. Mrs. Lungu was aggrieved that the lower court did not permit her to call the witnesses. She believes that the trial was unfair because she was not given an equal opportunity with the respondent to present additional evidence. Shortly after the ruling, defense lawyer Charles Chengano addressed the press.
Now the Court of Appeal has allowed us, saying that in our application and grounds of appeal there is merit. So we have been granted that appeal. Okay. So we'll bring all issues pertaining to the High Court case for the madam here, our applicant, before the Court of Appeal. Okay. Everything that was determined will be put together. Okay. With this application which we have. Our issue now is, since we were not allowed, it's a ground of appeal. Okay. So we have requested for leave. So we'll put it as a ground. Okay. And hopefully we will succeed because of that. So it's a good appeal. It's a good ground for us, so that we see the court looking at all the issues that were determined pursuant to their property together with this, and then we'll see what we do.
Best Jerry, Diamond News, Lusaka.